This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deanna Davis. This spacious 2-story waterfront home, featuring 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, is located in the highly sought-after community of Heritage Pointe. A new roof was installed in 2024, providing peace of mind. The main living areas boast designer tile flooring and an open floor plan, perfect for modern living. The kitchen is a chef's delight. Upgraded cabinets and granite countertops, seamlessly opening to the dining room and a great room. Sliders from the great room lead to a 20 by 10 covered lanai, offering serene water views and overlooking a sizable fenced yard, ideal for family gatherings and entertaining. The master suite is conveniently located downstairs, providing a private retreat. Upstairs, you'll find a large loft that can serve as a game room or office, along with 4 additional bedrooms and a convenient laundry room. This home offers a fantastic West Melbourne location, within walking distance to top-rated schools and parks, shopping centers and doctors' offices within 10 minutes. For more information, review the details below.